This alert is issued when the aircraft is on an approach to a runway that is too short for a normal landing, and is especially useful when flying approaches to airports with parallel or multiple runways. The alert is issued between 450 and 300 feet above field elevation when the aircraft is approximately within 3 miles of the runway. The aircraft track must be aligned within 20 degrees of the runway and be within approximately 200 feet, plus the runway width of the runway center line.
Caution, short runway, short runway.
All other EGPWS alerts have priority over this alert.